Prostate cancer affects the prostate glands of men. Prostate cancer is the second leading cause of cancer deaths for men in the United States. Looking for early warning signs of prostate cancer in men. A small step of awareness every day is worth more than 100 pounds of cure. Indeed, we never understand some illnesses like cancer, and we may never be able to cure them. But what we must know is that every small step of awareness counts, and it can help us avoid the health risk. Yes? We will talk about the early signs of prostate cancer, as it is the second most common cancer found in men. But due to a lack of proper awareness, our nearest and dearest ones often get too late to diagnose it. So being little aware of the symptoms in the early stages is the only way to save their life, as there is a high chance of survival if they are diagnosed with prostate cancer at the first stage. Therefore, to give some vital information through this video, we will reveal the facts about early warning signs of prostate cancer that every man should know. What is prostate gland? The prostate gland is a segment of the male reproductive system. It looks like an apricot, situated at the neck of the bladder and in front of the rectum. To a secret, a specific type of fluid that protects the sperm is one of the major tasks of the prostate gland. Therefore, we can say that it has a natural part in reproduction as far as male fertility concerns. The prostate gland is used to squeeze the fluid into the urethra at the time of ejaculation, and it comes out with sperm in the form of semen. Types of prostate cancer. Adenocarcinoma or prostate cancer is a type of cancerous growth that occurs in the prostate gland tissues. Depending on the growth rate, there are two types of prostate cancer: aggressive or fast-growing prostate cancer. In this type, the tumor tends to grow and spread to the nearby areas very fast. Slow-growing or non-aggressive. In this type, the tumor grows slowly, so the disease spreads instead. What causes prostate cancer? Although there is no certain reason that causes prostate cancer, maybe prostate cancer is the result of multiple reasons. Prostate cancer develops when some tissues in the prostate gland become abnormal. Mutation or cell division in these abnormal cells' DNA helps it grow faster than normal cells. These cells accumulate and form a tumor that attacks the nearest tissue cell. This abnormal cell continues its mutation, whereas normal cells usually die after the growth to a specific limit. Therefore, whatever the factors work behind, it leads to cell mutation and grows abundantly in the prostate area. Risk factors for prostate cancer. What increases your risk of prostate cancer? Family history. Those men are at high risk of developing prostate cancer with a father or brother with prostate cancer. Old age. With growing age, the chance of prostate cancer increases. In most cases, the disease occurs after 65. Genetics. Gene is an essential factor that contributes to prostate cancer. Though the reason is not prominent, the black men of the United States have twice the risk of prostate cancer than the whites. Lower level of vitamin D increases the risk of prostate cancer. Early warning signs of prostate cancer. 1. Urge to urinate frequently. Feeling the urge to pee over and over again, especially at night, is considered a significant early warning sign of developing prostate cancer. This happens because the prostate gland is situated at the lower portion of the bladder that holds the urine, and the growing tumor creates pressure on the urethra. Other indications appear with the urinary problem, such as heaviness of bladder or burning sensation during urination. 2. Difficulty in peeing. This is the most common and usual starting sign of developing prostate cancer is facing trouble at the time of peeing. We can call it a primary warning symptom, though many males do not notice it at first. This happens because of the tumor growths that create pressure on the bladder. As a result, the normal flow of urine is disrupted, and it also causes pain in some cases. As a result, individuals face trouble in starting and stopping the urine flow. These symptoms are called irritated urinary signs. 3. Retention of urine. When any tumor develops inside the prostate or bladder, the increased pressure obstructs normal urine flow. This is one of the primary warning signs of developing a prostate tumor. The urine stream becomes weak, and there is always a need to urinate frequently. This sign appears at the first stage of tumor growth, and due to this, the affected person still feels that his bladder is full due to the obstacle. In medical terms, these symptoms are known as obstructive urinary signs. 4. Blood in urine. What causes blood in urine without pain? Discharge of blood with urine is a serious health issue, as it may indicate prostate or bladder cancer, kidney stone, or benign kidney disease. Although blood doesn't need to discharge every time you are peeing, it may happen once or twice a week. But whatever, the sign is one of the alarming symptoms of developing prostate cancer. 5. Loss of weight without any reason. Unexplained weight loss is a sign that something wrong is going on inside your body. If we are on a diet or during exercise, then we are losing weight is quite reasonable. But it is an indication of health problems when you are on your regular diet. But it is also essential to keep in mind that weight loss may indicate thyroid, diabetes, and cancer. So, a medical checkup and testing are necessary if this is happening to you right now. This symptom indicates the advanced stage of prostate cancer. 6. Tiredness or fatigue. If you feel exhausted and can't get rid of your bone-deep fatigue despite adequate rest, it needs a medical investigation. Unexpected fatigue is the warning sign of serious illness, including prostate cancer or any cancer, thyroid, diabetes, etc. But it is important to watch whether your fatigue is only for some time due to work pressure or not. These symptoms only appear when cancer spreads and attracts the adjacent bones. Important facts about prostate cancer. There are some essential facts about prostate cancer that every male over 60 should know. Prostate cancer starts almost silently, and so it does not show any indication at the first stage. There is no pain or feeling of obstruction in the beginning. The symptom only comes out when the growth of the tumor causes blockage at the urethra. The symptoms that we discussed here are not enough to confirm prostate cancer, as all these signs are pretty similar in men if there is any non-cancerous growth in the prostate or benign enlargement of the prostate gland. Therefore, a proper medical screening is a must under an expert medical advisor. To conclude, we can say that a bit of awareness from your side is the most important fact to avoid health complications, whether it is prostate cancer or any other disease. Therefore, if you are a male and have crossed half-century, have a family history of prostate cancer, be cautious and take the necessary steps.